started the whole thing. Oh my god. You're squeezing me right now. Holy crap. You get hit?
Yeah.
Where did you get hit?
On my foot and on my ribs.
Oh my god. Why are we still holding?
I don't know, you grabbed onto my hand.
I did? Oh my god. I didn't get hit. I was
got hit twice.
That's why I backed up.
You always call my name.
Well, Alyssa, was gone. She was out of there.
Yeah, she was gone before all of us. I just stood there.
I just wanted to stand there and watch it.
Until I got hit.
Holy crap. That was... What did you do?
What?
Oh my god, I'm afraid now.
Fire! Oh, that's not the one that they set off before.
Before you do that,
I love 4th
The
of July.
retarded one in the red shirt.
Tim.
I'll do it at the same time.
Do not do it at the same time.
Do it at the same time.
Back up.
I'm scared of the one that only goes up halfway. Run away. Is that the one? I think that's the one.
Yeah.